Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we're going to learn how to add video background on Capcut. After you open your Capcut, you have to go to new project and then choose the video that you want to make it as your background. And wait, I'll go with this video. You just have to click on the video and you can click add right here. Alright, and then you have to click overlay and click add overlay. And alright, you can choose the photo or video that you want to put the video background on it, and I'll go with photos. And I'm choosing this photo and click add. Alright, and then we can click on the photo and find cutout option to remove the background and click remove background. Okay, and press this checklist mark right here. Alright, and then we can adjust the length. Oops, alright. And you can tap the photo, tap and hold on the photo to adjust the photo to the background. Alright guys, that's how we can add video background on Capcut. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.